This is how most people play Jenga. This is how my family plays Jenga. And this is just one of the issues I'm dealing with today. In this video, I'm doing an early morning quick speed clean in my kitchen. So go on and grab your cup of coffee and clean a space with me. I love to wake up to a clean kitchen so that I can feel like I really started my day well, but on this particular day, that just didn't happen. So I wanted to get it all done before the school day got started. Welcome back to all my returning subscribers, my VIPs. And for those who are new here, welcome. I am a stay-at-home homeschooling mom of 4 daughters, and at this point in the morning, only one was awake. So I decided to set a timer and get as much done before they woke up. I thought it would take me only 20 minutes to get this kitchen clean, but in reality, it took me about 35 to 40 minutes. I was fussing out loud at some points too, because I'm not a morning person. So make sure to watch until the end to hear a couple of funny real-life bloopers. One tip I would suggest is to get all surfaces cleaned first. I collected larger items or items just laying out first, and then made sure to empty the trash. Emptying the trash is just something so simple, but so important toward helping the kitchen look so much better. I then just did a quick vacuum or sweep of the floor, and then I wiped down all surfaces. I hope you enjoyed the music that I selected for this video. I wanted to make sure it was upbeat and, will make you really want to do some early morning cleaning. Let me know if my DJ skills are on point. Is it just me, or do your children get tons of fingerprints on the refrigerator and microwave doors? Let me know in the comments below what surface in your kitchen gets dirty the most. On this channel, I post cleaning, organization, and occasional decor videos, and I believe that cleaning doesn't have to be boring. So if this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. If you are still watching, type clean in the comments.
When I wake up early in the morning, and when I come home at night, everything is covered in darkness, and the sun is out of sight. I
save the dishes for last. I tend to wash mine by hand, but if you prefer to load your dishwasher, you could always switch this task to put up dirty dishes first before you wipe your surfaces.
rain from a clear sky. I wasn't ready to say goodbye. Ever since you left, there's nothing but a cloudy sky. And there's no day, there's only night. Now I'm sitting all by myself, trying to see the light in the dark. But everything is covered in sadness, just like a fire without a spark. I guess I'm living in the dark age, because I sure can't see no light. Ever since you left, there's been nothing but a cloudy sky. And there's no day, there's only night. Ever since you left, there's nothing but a cloudy sky. There's no day, there's only night. Ever since you left, baby, baby. And there's no day, there's only night. Girl, every time I close my eyes, I see your smile in the morning light. And girl, every time I hear that song that we used to call our own, it all comes back again. I don't understand it.
I wanted to take this time out to acknowledge the fact that I have passed over 200 subs. Yay! And I just wanted to say to all of my returning subscribers, or all the people who even care enough about what I'm talking about and what tips I give to just watch my videos, I just want to say a sincere thank you. And I'm looking forward to getting to know more about you as I'm on this journey. I have already started a list based on some requests that people have given, but I also want to ask you, what are some things that you would like to see on this channel? Please let me know in the comments below.
Maybe you should come back, we could try again. Oh, I wish I realized we were in paradise. And now, every time I fall asleep, I dream of what we used to be. I don't understand it, somehow I didn't see. It took me far too long to realize that I take your love for granted. It's a possibility that all that I have left on memory.
I went on and dried and put up the dishes as well to completely clear the counter, but there are some times where I do this part later on in the day when I have more time.
I don't wanna play no games. Maybe you should come back, we could try again. Maybe we should try again, babe.
And this is the finished kitchen. I now can have a much more productive day, and it just makes me feel so much better. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you needed to quickly clean a space in your home that needed some TLC. Please, if you haven't already, make sure to like, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss another video. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Recording anymore. I just did all that.
It's my fault. I should have just done it right and not done it with my phone. I won't do that again. You live and you learn. It'll be another junky mess some other day. It shouldn't be to where when I come in here, well, for one, I shouldn't even have to have done it. But it should not have to be where when I come in here, it's so bad I can't clean it up in 30 minutes or less. I thought this was gonna be a TikTok video. Nope, too long.